Welcome to the beginner's tutorial part 2. Two really important concepts today, protraction and then the scooping of the core. They go hand in hand, and you're going to be practicing this throughout the entire practice every single time you do a practice. So first, you want to find a protraction. That means the shoulder blades spread further apart. So if you take your arms out, and I'm going to turn my back to you, and I push my hands forward, you'll see that my shoulder blades spread apart. And then retraction is when the shoulder blades come together. So protraction, the shoulder blades spread apart, retraction when they squeeze together, okay? Then you have elevation, shoulders go up, and depression of shoulders when they slide down the back, okay? But the most important one is protraction. In protraction, usually we're talking about that when we're connecting with our core. So pushing the hands down into the mat, like you're pushing your hands through the mat into the floor, into the center of the earth. That's how strong you want the energy, pushing down, and then you will feel your heart lift. When your heart lifts, your shoulder blades are spreading apart. That's protraction. And then the second part to this is the core, the scooping of the core and the tailbone. So there's always the relationship between tailbone and the crown of the head. In order to get into the deep core, not just the previous rectus abdominal muscles in the front of your belly or your abdominals, it's the deep transverse abdominal muscles that we really want to start to access. So I will often cue push down to protract, lift the heart, and then through your breath, especially your exhale, you might be able to get even deeper. And then the tailbone, let's just come into a high plank to demonstrate this. I push the earth away and I'm protracting, my heart is lifted, and then I don't want to arch my back like this. I really want to pull the tailbone down. I want to lengthen it away from crown of the head towards the heels. So essentially the hip bones are moving closer to the bottom ribs. And that action gets right into the core. But you cannot achieve that if you don't protract. If I collapse, then I can't actually get into this. I really have to push down, lift the heart, pull tailbone towards the heels. Good. And literally, I have to focus on the belly button and actually pick it up, squeeze it up, and that's your Uddiyana Bandha. Okay. So not the here with the butt, you're in this plank, but you're scooped like this. All right. Okay. Good. So those two are really crucial. Now I'm going to demonstrate it with some core work, okay? So here in this tabletop position, we're going to just demonstrate with a bear hold. I'm going to tuck my toes under, and I'm going to float my knees off the mat. My biceps have to spiral forward, and I pull my shoulder blades down. Shifting the shoulders over the wrists, I push down strongly to the hands, but I'm going to link it with my breath. So inhale. Exhale, push earth away, lift heart, protract shoulder blades. Now watch my tailbone. I'm not here. I pull it down and I scoop it. Don't shift back. You'll take the scooping and sensation out of the core. Stay over the wrist or a little bit beyond. Pull tailbone down. Keep pushing the earth away. So inhale. It is in the exhale where we find our power. Exhale. I scoop. Inhale. Scoop. Keep the arms straight and push the earth away. Tailbone really pulls down. Hip bones curl toward your lower ribs. Pick up the belly button, squeeze. One more. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Knees down and sit back. All right. Okay. So protraction of the shoulder blades and lengthening tailbone away from crown of the head to scoop and access the core deeper. Visualize your hip bones moving towards your lower ribs to close this gap. All right. Okay. Thank you for joining me.